All right, hello folks, I'm Patrick, this is GoSun. It is Groundhog Day, February 2nd. It's a cold one, but we're out in the sun showing off some solar, portable, durable products. Groundhog Day is the only day that surrounds the sun. It's the only national holiday that surrounds the sun. So today we decided to debut all kinds of products. I have together an entire solar kitchen. The ability to cook and cool and clean and purify and brew coffee, all with the sun. You of course can light and charge your cell phones. This is a miniature power bank that supplies all of your power needs for your devices so that you can run your cell phone over and over and over. It mimics your car battery, so you can have a 12-volt port to run through and cook a meal, keep your drinks and your food cold in our portable refrigerator, and you can also, with that same power bank, you can brew a cup of coffee thanks to a new invention we call the GoSun Brew. So I'll give you a quick view of each of these products really quickly here. You just saw the cooler. It's dry, it's organized, no more ice inside your cooler. That little power bank comes with the GoSun Chill, and this basically supplies about a 15-pound bag of ice. You can recharge this with the sun and have an indefinite solar-powered cooler day in, day out. Our portable cooking devices, this is the GoSun Go. This is a $100 solar stove that makes a meal for two in about 20 minutes using nothing but sunshine. Load food into this stainless steel tray. A evacuated tube does the job of insulating that, so these things will actually work even on freezing cold days like today. I'll show you another one of our stoves. Just finished a meal. This is the GoSun Fusion. This has cooked a bunch of cornbread today. The Fusion also runs on 12 volt. So if the meal isn't cooked with sunlight, you can run it on electricity, which is on the bottom of the cooking tray here. Of course, everything that GoSun sells is totally portable and collapsible. I think I just pushed it off the end of the table there. So you can just collapse it up and take it on the go. It's about 12 pounds, and this will cook a meal for a family in about 1 hour with nothing but sunlight. And then our portable water sanitation and purification system. This is the GoSun Flow. It runs on a USB powered pump that's inside this case, and then a small portable lithium-ion battery is giving that pump the energy it needs. Also, it's being recharged with the sun. The GoSun Flow comes with a filter. This is a 3-stage water filter, so you can pull out particulates and bacteria and viruses out of your water as long as it's a fresh water supply. So that comes inside the case. You can also take this out of the case and go camping. This is great for backpacking. Again, the Flow runs on a tiny USB powered pump, and it turns into a sink or a shower, all thanks to this cute little clip. This whole sink just collapses down, so you can do what the brand says: GoSun, go anywhere. And then finally, the GoSun Brew. This product basically has the ability to make a cup of coffee all in one. How that works is it's a travel mug. It includes a French press and a 12-volt heater. So what you do is you plug this in, give it about 20 minutes to heat up a couple of cups of hot water. Once that water is up to temperature, it will automatically shut off. You pour your coffee grounds inside, let them brew for about 4 minutes, give it a press, and you've got a couple of cups of hot coffee to enjoy all day long. So there you have it. The GoSun Solar Kitchen, bringing portable power to the people. GoSun is all about helping you meet your essential needs with available sunshine. All of our products run on solar directly or 12-volt power, as well as lithium-ion power, and everything is compatible with your home power, AC adapting. So I really appreciate you guys taking a look at us, and invite you to join the fuel-free frontier with GoSun.